So students, today we are going to discuss about precipitation, its form and types. So as we have discussed in hydrological cycle, precipitation is one of the main phases of hydrological cycle, and it includes all the moisture that comes to the earth's surface in liquid or solid form due to condensation of the atmospheric vapor. Okay, so let us see that what is the definition of precipitation. So precipitation is defined as the fall of moisture from the atmosphere to the earth's surface in any form. And these are the different forms of precipitation. In case of form of precipitation, the different forms in which the condensed water vapor comes on the surface of the earth is referred to as forms of precipitation. Starting with the rainfall. So rainfall is the first form of precipitation, which is of course main form, and the size of the water droplets in this case is greater than 0.5 mm and maximum it can go up to 6 mm. Then coming to the second form of precipitation, which is snow. So this snow consists of ice crystals which combines together to form flakes, and snow has an average density of 0.1 gram per centimeter cube. Then the third form of precipitation is drizzle, which is made up of fine sprinkle, which are generally referred to as fine sprinkle of numerous water droplets of size less than 0.50 mm and whose intensity is less than 1 mm per hour. In the upcoming videos, we are going to see what is intensity of rainfall, so don't worry about that. Okay. The next form of precipitation is glaze. So when rain or drizzle comes in contact with the cool ground at around 0 degree Celsius temperature, then the water drops gets freeze out and hence it is known as glaze. Then the next form of precipitation is slit, which is formed when rain falls through sub-freezing temperature. Okay. Then comes hail. So hail is a hail is a form of precipitation which occurs in the form of irregular lumps of ice whose size is greater than 8 mm in diameter, and this hail occurs generally in thunderstorms, and this could be of spherical, conical or irregular shape. And the last one, that is the last form of precipitation, is dew, and which forms by the condensation on ground during night time because the surface has been cooled by the outgoing radiations. So I hope you now get the idea about what are the different forms of precipitation, and in our next video we will see that what are the different types of precipitation. One more thing I want to mention over here, that rainfall and snow are the two main forms of precipitation that are taken into consideration from the water resources point of view. So I hope you are clear with the forms of precipitation. Thank you.